If you want to subscribe to the live screen sharing room on DAX and watch every day the live trades I do on time during the market hours, the first hour of cash trading and then US session, and why I'm taking these trades, you can go on my Twitter page here at this name and click this on the pinned tweet here, this link which will prompt you to a PayPal subscription service which is have a small description here, and the first 2 days is free, then you can have free cancellation if you wish so, and then it's just 19 euros a month. So if you click login here, then this will prompt you to a subscription details, and then you will need to let me know about this so I can send you the password, and so you can be able to log in every day and watch the live screen sharing. Or you can just go to my YouTube channel here, which I upload every day the video after what happened after the European cash market closes, and this is the link here of the everyday recording after the market closes. So this is just free, so you can feel free to go here and just watch this. Okay, hello everyone. So what we have today is a gap up above yesterday's close. Very bullish behavior here since we held support here at lower Bollinger Band and managed to move out of this very well traded consolidation area. Now the question will be if we manage to go up to 800 or so, we do have a nice level here for resistance. Let's see the profile here to see where we are in terms of the weekly profile. So we made a new high for the week. If I split this, you can see us talking yesterday, if price moves above previous week's value area low, then it should target previous week's value area high. Of course, this happened with a gap today and some nice rally before the cash open. So we need to see if price managed to go above initial balance high 720 to go long for a move up to 800, which is previous weekly high and distribution of the week before the previous one. Then eventually we'll have this 900 level to see if price can extend that far up. Of course, this might not happen today. Also, as yesterday's DAX was way behind from SPY and S&P 500, which are new all-time highs yesterday. So looking to see if we, first of all, if we have a pullback, what it does at 660, 650 yesterday's value area high, if it holds for a nice bounce up to 800. So if price goes at 650, it will go long initially for a continuation. Of course, this can extend straight away, and then we'll look at 800s, specifically 795s here, which is this previous weekly high. Also, we have a gap here from previous week, which comes up to 812s. Let's see how this will play out today. Initially, the short position here against initial balance high, initial resistance. Not sure about if this will hold, but so far we have resistance here at the first minute. So let's see if this can have a pullback first and how much this will be. Scale out first target here already. Let's see if it gives us a move down to initial balance low. Of course, needs to go below 700 here. Scale out second target here at the midpoint of initial balance. Now we would like to see if this can go and retest yesterday's value area high. This has high probability. Let's see if it happens. Also, in terms of Bollinger Band here, you can see we are outside of higher Bollinger Band. Perhaps price can go or have this pullback. Of course, this doesn't mean it cannot trade just straight above. If we have a look on the medium term here as yesterday as well, where we have been down to 600s, said that price will likely to go towards 700s, which is the midpoint of this medium term consolidation area. So we're just at 700s here and finding some strength now. If it holds 700s, we'll look for 800s, eventually 900s up to this swing high here. So it's key to see now if this will hold here the support or if it finds another resistance on VWAP and continue for a new low. Otherwise we'll just stop me at break even for the rest of the trade here, and then need to see if it goes above initial balance high. We'll try to go long for continuation. So let's see. Flattening the rest of the trade here, of course, waiting to see if this can go all the way down to 660s though, but it's okay. 3 profit targets nicely, entry up to 13s, full exit down to 85s. So let's see if this eventually will do what anticipated it will do and go retest yesterday's value at a high point of control, 650, 660 area here. Also nice resistance here on VWAP, then continuation slowly towards the low side. Okay, so here we got a few minutes until the first hour of cash trading. Can see very tight range and mostly sideways consolidation towards slightly the downside, although the second 30-minute candle after the cash open and here the opening price of the day here got absorbed with multiple retests here. That's why I covered here, flattened the position here down at the lows. So do not be surprised if this will remain slightly in less rangy environment for the rest of the session, although as a day's range this is too narrow and perhaps it can expand, not sure which way. So we'd like to see if this eventually goes down to 650, 660s and what it does there if it holds and then continues towards the upside. Okay, so here about a few hours later you can see price just generally sold off below 700 here. Very nice entry early in the morning, should have given nice target down to yesterday's value at a high and yesterday's point of control. Very nice support here. You can see price just bounce from here. This is a high probability to see when price opens outside of yesterday's previous days high and value at high, then has high probability to retest either high and value at high previous day. This is exactly what happened.